Okay, this is for Justin. I'm going to go through all the steps. I don't know which ones you needed, but I'll just go through all the steps of navigating. So SSH into the robot. Go in and start the Docker. This is the full one, of course. Everything will start up. You know this already. Okay, that's should have started running. And then go to my local machine. Create a new tab here. And then I'll source my ROS environment. And remember, this is in that's what that did. You're already doing this, I think, in your command prompt, screen RC or something. Anyways, go to RViz. Oops, not it. This one. Okay, so here I got RViz running. At the top, I've got my tools, and I think that's the tools panel. Yeah, tools panel. And then I've got these 2D pose estimate and 2D nav goal. I'll set my current view. I've got some current views set up in RViz. Right now, you can see from the camera, I'm like sitting right beside my desk. So I'll do the 2D pose estimate, and I'll say, I think it's right. She's right about here, more or less facing that direction. So now you see my LiDAR start to pop in. It's not perfect yet. If I go in a few circles, I got my remote control hooked up. If I go in a few circles with the robot, it's not happening. What should happen is the LiDAR should start to lock in. There we go. So now the LiDAR is locking in. It's more or less meshing my map. I think it's really sensitive to the wheel slippage. So if I stop quickly, it'll mess it up. That's something we probably have to fix in the parameters to ACML, but whatever, it works. It's going. It looks like these tools come and go with this add remove, but you should have a 2D pose estimate and a 2D nav goal. I'll set my 2D nav goal to be over here and facing this direction. The robot should start moving. And it does. And just for fun, while it's doing that, let's go over and look at what's happening in like localization or navigation, I guess. So it'll say things like got a new plan, goal reach, ODOM received, whatever. I think there's this 2D nav goal and 2D. I think 2D pose estimate might be a service call, and 2D nav goal is maybe like a topic. Let me see. I'll see if I can figure out what they are. Yeah, so move base current goal, I think is where that clicking this nav goal sets that. I don't know where the estimate, let me see. It might be a raw service. Okay, actually, I don't know how it is. But yeah, that's it. Those are the basics. Honestly, I don't know how these got there. Maybe when I installed some nav package or something. I'm running Noetic locally, and I got the Noetic branch checked into the Docker's all running Noetic also. So that's it. Let me see. I'll just do another nav goal, see if it works. Go back to my map. Have it come back to me. And it turns out I always have it pointing the direction I want to go next because it's not very good at turning around. Let's see if I can have it come over here and pointing at me. So hopefully it'll miss me and everything. I'm waving. You see me. I turned the camera capture rate really low for the depth cam stuff. It doesn't have to be that low. I just did it for some other reason. For this, it should be at like 15, but right now I got it maybe 3, so that's why it's so choppy. Okay, hopefully that helps.